to Dollar Tree. Pottery Barn Dupe Christmas 2024. They have these gorgeous plates that are over $40 on Pottery Barn. A very similar one you can find at Dollar Tree for $1.25. This is a brand new product flying off shelves, and I can see why. The evergreen design on these are so classic and traditional. They even have placemats. I'm seeing this all over, like these, all over Crate & Barrel, plates that have a very similar design. So check for these in your local Dollar Tree. Look how much these Pottery Barn chargers are. Dollar Tree chargers come in so many styles now. I don't think I could pick a favorite. But the ones that I have at home are these. I love the color on these. They are at most stores right now, and you have no idea that all this came from the Dollar Tree if I haven't told you. They have beautiful glasses here. I love the tall hurricane vases. I love these. Why? Because they look like snow globes. They have these little village houses. Okay, so they have these little houses, which are so cute. Do you have a mini Christmas village? I love the Dollar Tree's versions. They have a 2-pack of taper candles. They even have rib taper candles that look awesome. I was so excited to see Dollar Tree bring these back this year, because Pottery Barn has a similar ribbed and twisted style that are really expensive. My favorite if you want to spruce up your dining room or just anywhere that you're setting out food. I love these LED candles with timers. This is a brand new this year. I kind of has a vintage look at the bottom. It comes in gold and it even comes in this bronze. And what's great is these are on a timer, so you don't have to remember to shut them off. That is key. Come to the office section and buy these craft paper rolls. You can roll these out and put all sorts of cheeses on these if you got guests coming over and you want to keep it simple. Check out these examples of the craft paper, as well as the charcuterie board style dinner spreads. Dollar Tree does have a great name brand crackers. These bagel chips are absolutely awesome, especially on a cheese board. Look out for the Monet crackers. At $1.25, this is an amazing deal. And when it comes to the food and getting food on the cheap, it would be so fun to be able to go to Whole Foods. That's like the Pottery Barn of food stores. Everything is organic and nice. My Whole Foods dupe is Aldi's. I love Aldi. I have so many videos on Aldi on my channel, but when it comes to holiday stuff, I did some tests. Check this out. This video is no way sponsored by Aldi, but I want to share with you some amazing food deals, like easy appetizers I don't have to think, just go. I love the charcuterie shop. This entire selection is brand new as of a couple years ago, and the prices are amazing. They have amazing candies, and the crackers are out of this world. You can put together an entire cheese board so affordably. The cheese selection at Aldi's is fantastic. Their cheese is an amazing deal. With cheese in particular, this is 50 to 80% savings. Also, dips are amazing. The tzatziki dip I love, and I would like to know from you your thoughts. I love the spinach artichoke dip too, out of this world. I just want to let you know about the produce at Aldi. A bag of apples, an entire bag, is just $1.99. The grapes are a great deal, and my kids love cucumbers. These are just 95 cents. And when it comes to the frozen section at Aldi, I've got you. These are the scores. You literally throw them in the oven. The Bistro Mini Quiche. What I like a lot of these options is the temperature of the oven is pretty much the same. Yes, cheesecake bites. So good. Have you tried these? What do you think? Let me know below. These come frozen and then you thaw them out. And if you took these to any party, I promise your guests will be wowed. Aldi's does cinnamon right. These smell so good. These are just $3.69. You can put these out in your house. Your entire house will smell amazing. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Follow your heart. I'll catch you soon.